At the point when 5 inches is the accepted standard for a smaller Android handset, yet you need to demonstrate that more is constantly better, what do? All things considered, it relies upon the meaning of something beyond. You can accomplish something insane, dumb or unthinkable. Samsung? They chose to be sensible. Outline a telephone, manufacture a screen, put the screen where it generally goes. The same old thing. It's practically an indistinguishable telephone from the Galaxy S7. Estimate savvy, that is. Just with the 5.8 inches show where there used to be a 5.1-inch screen. 5.8 equals 5.1. How is this conceivable? Indeed, perhaps the new Galaxy S is from an indistinguishable book from this. Presently, back to display time. The LG G6 has been around for quite a while, and we likewise requesting that you look past the corner to corner in our Galaxy S8 Plus audit prior this week. Presentations are getting taller and breaking out of the 16:9 box they were caught in for a couple of years now. Be that as it may, while LG selected a square circumstances to 18:9 proportion, Samsung ran with 18.5:9, in light of the fact that for what reason not. Both of this present season's exceptional Galaxies are in this peculiar 2.06:1 perspective, however the standard S8 is petite. It's a millimeter more extensive than an iPhone 7 with a screen surface of around 40% more than the little measured Apple, that is land, not corner to corner, so it isn't one type to a totally different type. But the S8 by S7 and the better and brighter one is really smaller, and obviously so. So from the get-go we'd say that the S8 has the most screen you can get in a telephone this size, and even a couple of sizes up. The Level S arrangement configuration is no more. The current year's telephones both element the mark Samsung bended screens. Subtle and in no way like the Note Edge that began everything. Development. This especially limited Infinity show is the thing that stands out as truly newsworthy, yet it's not without a result. The home catches history, in its place an on-screen root bar, the unique finger impression sense migrated, the squeezing sensation copied, kind of, by haptic shutter. The screen aside, there's the routine knack in preparing power, kindness of a pristine 10nm chip, be it Samsung's own particular Exynos, or Qualcomm's Snapdragon, still made by Samsung. SLAM has stopped at 4GB, however certain locales may get a 6GB variant, and the 8MP self-adjust forward-looking camera replaces the 5MP settled concentration shooters that were around for a really long time on the organization's leaders. Samsung Galaxy S8 key features. Body, polished aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass 5 front and rear, IP68 certified for water and dust resistance. Arctic Silver, Orchid Grey, Black Sky, Maple Gold, and Coral Blue color schemes. Display, 5.8 inches Super AMOLED, 2960 by 1440p x resolution, 18.5:9, 2.06:1, aspect ratio, 570p HDR10 compliant, no Dolby Vision. Rear camera 12MP, f/1.7 aperture, dual pixel phase detection, autofocus, OIS, multi-shot image stacking, 2160p/30fps video recording. Front camera, 8MP, f/1.7 aperture, autofocus, 1440p/30fps video recording. OS/software, Android 7.0 Nougat, Bixby virtual assistant. Chipsets, Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, octa-core CPU, 4X Cryo 280 plus 4X Cortex-A53, Adreno 540 GPU. Exynos 8895, octa-core CPU, 4x2 and D-Gen Mongoose plus 4X Cortex-A53, Mali-G71 GPU. Memory, 4GB of RAM, a 6GB option likely in some markets, later down the line, 64GB of storage, microSD slot up to 256GB, UFS card support. Battery, 3,000 mAh, sealed, adaptive fast charging, same as S7, QuickCharge 2.0 support, WPC&PMA. Wireless charging. Connectivity, single SIM, dual SIM available in certain markets, LTE, 4-band carrier aggregation, CAT.1613, 1 Gbps/150 Mbps, USB Type-C, v3.1, Wi-Fi A/B/G/N/AC, GPS, Beidou, Galileo, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0. Miscellaneous, fingerprint reader, iris recognition, face recognition, single speaker on the bottom, 3.5mm jack, bundled AKG headphones. Main shortcomings: no stereo speakers. Fingerprint scanner in an inconvenient location, though admittedly easier to reach than on the S8 class. The bulk of the photo and video content doesn't make the most of the available screen area due to the unusual screen aspect ratio. The S8's blessing is also its curse. There isn't exactly an abundance of 18.5 to 9 content for you to double. But with Google backing up the push for wide, tall displays, and Apple rumored to ride the same train come fall, it's really a matter of time, and not a long time either. Truly, however, with all its interactive media desires, the S8 truly has no reasons for not pressing a couple of stereo speakers, regardless of whether it's the improvised arrangement of an earpiece serving as an amp. In the event that you haven't speculated at this point, we're not Todd with Blair the unique mark per user ideas, and senior editorial manager note, that is a politically just update of what the analyst really said. In all reasonableness, however, on the modest S8 it's not such an activity to reach, however the camera focal point will unavoidably get comfortable with the edges in your skin. Prompt and those under-shoulder users as of now. That is the future, close as it might be, yet we're living in the now, and around here the Galaxy S8 is the thing that it is, an excellent telephone. Go along with us on the following page for the unpacking of equipment checkup.